Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to inspect element on Android devices. So if you also want to inspect element on Android devices, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So there are several ways to inspect elements on Android devices, but I'll teach you the simplest and most effective way to do so. For that, first of all, what you have to do is open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. At bottom you'll be able to find several icons. Simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Kiwi browser. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for Kiwi browser. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find the option for install. All you have to do is tap on it. I've already installed this application on my device. Once the application has been downloaded, all you have to do is open it. You can see over here Kiwi browser has been opened. This basically works like Google Chrome. You can search for any browser over here. For example, I'm just going to search for Amazon.com. For that, tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now type in the browser name. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to that specific browser. So in order to inspect the element, what you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now, like Google Chrome, over here you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for new tab, new incognito tab, history, downloads, bookmarks, etc. What you have to do is scroll down. Now over here, what you have to do is find the option for developer tools. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, new tab will be opened. Now you'll be able to see the elements over here. Also, you'll be able to find the option for console. Make sure elements is selected. Now you'll be able to view the elements from here. Go ahead and use your creativity to make temporary changes for this website. So that is how you inspect elements on Android devices. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.